In this clip we will look at creating a solid object and then assign a material to the object so we can find out the object's mass. We will then shell the object to make it hollow and compare the mass after the shell operation with the mass before it. Let's make something a bit more interesting than a cube. Let's make an egg shape. So now we have our solid egg object. Let's apply a material to it. Let's make it out of ABS, as this is a material we can 3D print. We can check if the object is solid by using the section view function in SOLIDWORKS. We now want to check what the mass of the solid object is, and we can do that by going to Evaluate and then click on Mass Properties. Here we can see that our solid ABS egg has a mass of 142.66 grams. Now let's shell our egg using the shell command in SOLIDWORKS to make it hollow. A 2mm wall thickness should suffice for this. We can then use the section view function again to check that our shell has worked. Let's now check the mass of our hollow egg. Here we can see that the mass of the hollow egg is 25.38 grams, which is much less than our solid egg. You can change the settings in the mass properties to display different units and decimal place values. To do this, click on the Options button.